In June, instead of a workshop, I'll be doing a play shop titled More Fun, Less Stress. There are basically two ways to de-stress, and we need both of them. One is to learn how to let go of the stress, anxiety, and pain. The other is to push it out with laughter, happiness, and fun. You can't laugh and feel sad at the same time. It's summer. Let's rediscover the playful child within. Too many of us have become weighed down by the troubles in the world. We are starting to see everything with suspicion, worry, and fear. Enlightenment literally means lightening up. So let's find new ways to lighten up and enjoy our lives. Let's unblock our ability to have fun. Let's play for our health, well-being, and longevity. We'll meet on Saturday, June 16 at CSLDallas. For details and registration, go to paulajoyce.com. If you don't live in Dallas, contact me for individual or group coaching, or invite me to give a speech in your area, or to present this play shop or another workshop like creativity, self-expression, or overcoming abuse.